Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up screen time limits on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok and click on your profile icon on the bottom right and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to settings and privacy and then scroll down until you come to screen time. So you want to click on that. And this will give you a few options. So you can turn on daily screen time. So you can edit screen time, or you can turn on 1 hour every day if you want to do that. You can also select edit. And you can change the time if you want to do that. You can also set a custom limit per day. So you can obviously have a limit for each individual day if you want to do that. You can also change screen time breaks. So you can obviously turn that on and have a certain amount of minutes that you want to add on there before you schedule a break. You can also turn on sleep hours. So you can obviously edit the start time and end time if you want to do that. And you can also turn on weekly screen time updates. And also below that I'll give you a summary of your time on TikTok as well. So that's how you can set up screen time limits on TikTok. Thanks for watching.